Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello you guys, it's Christina Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? What are you doing? You might as well subscribe to my channel simply because me and my K-babies are lit, and we lit because you really like it. Period. And if you subscribe, then you can join the family too. That's it. That's all. And that's just that. And that's on what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, y'all. So, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. So, as you can see in the title, this is going to be a video on me nairing my eyebrows. This is the nair that I'm going to be using. Can y'all see that? Yeah. I would suggest that you get the nair that's actually for your face. I'm using what I have because I don't feel like running to the store to go get any. Plus, I've used this on my face before, and I knew, you know, the exact time limit that I needed to have it on my face and when I needed to wash it off. So, yeah, get the one that's for your face. I would not suggest using this one, especially if this is your first time doing this. So we just gonna get straight to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out. Lord, I hope my hair don't get in the way. So you're just gonna brush it upward. Y'all, I used to go to someone to get my eyebrows waxed. But it's like people, they don't understand when I say I don't want thin eyebrows. They always end up doing them too thin, and I don't like that. So yeah, I started doing them myself. Okay, so I have a Morph M165 brush, angle brush. And I normally use that, you know, to shape it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some in the cap. And I'm going to be quiet. And y'all can just watch me do it because I need to concentrate. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of like just angling it as if I have pomade. Not angling it, but yeah, applying it as if it's pomade, like I'm outlining my eyebrows. Now, y'all, I'm going to go in at the top. Whew. I don't know. I get nervous whenever I do this. I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for 6 minutes. Then I'm going to come back, wash it off. I'm about to go in the mirror real quick, make sure I shape it up a little more if it needs to be shaped up. Then we're going to come back, wipe it off so y'all can see, oops, how I nail my eyebrows. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And we are about to wipe these eyebrows off. So I have a damp washcloth. You can either use a wipe, cotton ball, whatever you want to use, but this is what I'm going to use. So first I'm gonna wipe the middle No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course, my face is gonna be a little red, but where's my spoolie? Y'all, we gotta get the spoolie brushed on hoes upward. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Wax where? And they thick, but they got shapes on. That's how I like my eyebrows. Let me turn out the brightness. No, the brightness is just a little too high. So now we're gonna get a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, so I got my coconut oil. Let me see. Put a little bit in the palm of my hand. Just stop playing with me. Let me take this off. Of course, I got my elastic band. We're trying to lay them edges, but honey, it's the eyebrows for me. I don't like the lighting though. But oh, now y'all can see it. Let me turn it down all the way. Okay, y'all see my eyebrows, right? I like my eyebrows, so I'm going to continue doing them because look at that shape. Period. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button and make sure you comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. If you choose to do so, and you already know my motto, stay lifted and stay encouraged always, and don't let nobody ruin your day. Because they ruin your day, I'm about to beat them up, and we don't want them problems. And that's on what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Love you, cat babies, and stay lifted and encouraged always.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my